Hey guys, it's me, Des Arnaz, professional investor, and I just wanted to say we just wrapped up our Saturday morning Zoom call in which we have our mastermind session with me and about 50 or 60 other investors. We meet every Saturday and we talk about note investing, real estate investing, entrepreneurial things, online businesses, that kind of stuff, online marketing, just things that make cash flow. I mean, we're all about cash flow. You see, because it's cash flow that sets you free, right? We all know that. It's not what your net worth is, it's how much money is coming in every month without you having to go to work. That's how you get free. So anyway, we talk about that stuff on our Saturday sessions, and today was a great session. I'm really happy that I was able to be there and participate in this. We have such good quality people on there. I just feel so blessed to be a part of this community. If you think you might want to check us out one of these Saturdays, just send me over an email. Go to my website at investbrilliantly.com. Send me over an email from on the website. I'll get you a guest link so you can join us one of these Saturdays and see what you think about what it is that we're doing. Surround yourself with quality people and you too will have a quality life. That's just the way life works. So here's what I would say. Stay strong, stay focused, and get busy. God bless you. Talk to you later.